I'm Yasmin.
Hi, I'm Mariah.
Hi, this is Fergie.
It's really fun.
I came to this workshop and it was very, very nice.
I really enjoyed the workshop and I wish we had more workshops like this in Goa.
Very clear instructions given.
I liked it very, very much.
It was fun, very interactive, and it just is sort of a stress buster.
Very happy with the results, and I will keep on experimenting for the next weeks.
Spending time over here really helped me ease all my worries and tensions and just, show my creative side.
Hi, I'm Meenakshi. Hi, I'm Safina. Hi, I'm Swastika.
I'm Siddhant Srivastav.
Came across this workshop and I'm so glad that I did that. I've been trying to extend my art knowledge and I wanted to work with resin for a long time, and finally I got a chance to work with it.
We learned different techniques of fluid pour art.
We just decided to do this as a weekend activity and had the best time. Thank you.
Our instructors have been amazing. They gave us the freedom to play around with colors, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out, and it was very engaging.
It was a really cool workshop, and you also get Maggie at the end.
This is mine. But this was amazing. You just throw onto the colors and let the creativity flow. I am extremely glad that I came for this. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Erica. I just attended a workshop by FarbenCorner. Today's resin class was very interesting. They did a really good job. They taught me a lot. I learned a lot through them, which I would have not learned through YouTube videos or anything. I had fun time, though I was a beginner. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, FarbenCorner. Our teacher was very, very helpful. She explained us everything from the basic. So overall it was very fun class.
Worked with resin and I think it was a really interesting workshop and inspired me to do a lot of more artwork with this.
I loved the workshop and I loved how you explained everything so well.
Thank you.
Welcome.